Hello mystics, and welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into occultism, mysticism, witchcraft, and spirituality. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And now let's explore the book Liber Null by Peter J. Carroll. This book is one of the foundational texts of modern Chaos Magick. It is considered one of the cornerstones. And whether you end up loving it or loathing it, it will still leave an impression. Liber Null was first published in the late 1970s and became one of the foundational texts of Chaos Magick. Carroll's goal was to strip away the dogma, hierarchy, and the excess of the ritual and ceremonial magic systems like the Golden Dawn or Thelema. And he was trying to get to the raw essence of practical magic. In other words, Liber Null is about the results over ritual, belief as a tool, not as truth. Indeed, Carroll writes, quote, "Magic is the science and art of causing change to occur in conformity with will." End quote. If you're not new to magic, that might sound familiar. It is a direct nod to Aleister Crowley. But Carroll's text is more experimental, even has a scientific tone in it. He treats the magician as a psychonaut, exploring consciousness through techniques like Sigil Magick, Gnosis, and altered state of consciousness. Things that I like about this book is that Carroll gives you permission to question everything, even himself. Also, God's dogma, symbols, your own beliefs. He presents the core idea that belief is just a tool, and that can be incredibly liberating, especially if you have been feeling confined by any traditional magical systems. He writes, quote, "Belief is a tool for achieving effects. One should not believe in one's belief." End quote. The second thing that I like about this book is that the exercises are quite strong. He presents exercises on evocation, concentration, sigil magic, meditation, and other powerful practices. Now, Liber Null isn't perfect. It is not without its flaws. It can be a little bit opaque at times, which can be frustrating. Then we have the very controversial side in some sections, especially in the second part of the Psychonaut. It gets pretty wild. It talks a lot of ideas that are taboo, like, for example, death, transgressions as a path of enlightenment, and even magicians taking their own lives as part of a ritual to ensure that they reincarnate with their old memories. This idea is explained in the part 2, but at least no proper instructions are given, which, for a book that is publicly available, I don't know you, but encouraging this kind of practice might not be very ethical. Despite that this book claiming to be an introduction, it is not fully for beginners, because it assumes that you already understand some magical terminology and you have some experience here and there. And maybe that's why many of the sections can feel quite abstract by beginners. But as I said before, not all of this. So this is mostly a book that you'll have to read and reread as you get more expertise in magic and occultism. But the golden nugget of this book is one of the final essays, which explains Carroll's catastrophe theory of magic. It is so original, and in the end, Liber Null is revolutionary for its time, but a little rough around the edges, very much like Chaos Magick itself. So if you ever pick up this book, or if you plan to, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Have you already read it? Did it change any of your views of magic and Chaos Magick, or Was it too abstract for you and you needed to put it down for a later time? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit a like and also subscribe. Keep seeking, keep questioning, and remember, chaos is not disorder, it's infinite potential.